Can you do
But
this?
it's
It's
not
at
Yeah.
100, it's
Yeah.
max level, you can't feed anything.
Hey, can I
Oh
have
no,
a
I just want to
slingshot,
check what it
please?
looks like.
I'm in
When
the
it's
when
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 it's
it's updated.
Can I have a slingshot?
They
Feed your ugly
actually
It just doesn't let
Yeah.
you feed it. It just doesn't even let you feed it.
Oh
It
shit.
Can I have a
is.
they
slingshot?
actually
My
do
bad.
the flapper.
No, it
It's
doesn't.
not
It,
a-
it eats it, but it doesn't do it. Eats
So-
everything.
So
Nee,
Doesn't
nou
even
moet
show
je
the
wel.
thing
Ik
the
heb
salt.
weer zo'n onbekend
Can anybody give me a slingshot, please? I
This is
really
getting
need
really
it.
yeah, they
big
finally brought
and
the
funky.
flapper back.
I like it chunky.
So
Can't you get these for free? Can't you get like kill a boss
Yeah.
and get this for free?
Not no more.
yeah.
Nah, the boss, the Moso boss is gone
It's
from the
gone.
game.
I have 3
There.
Mosos, actually.
Oh.
Who
Wait,
cares
don't
about
believe
your
me,
3
look at
Mosos? I can see.
I'm just doing this so I can actually fucking get you.
There's 1 or 2. While you're trading.
Yeah, I'm doing a book at my
I don't
own
need this look
my whole index. My whole
Oh, I have
index.
so
Like
many.
here.
Wait, these are rare now. These are rare.
They changed pig
What?
I don't
What do you
know.
want? Yeah,
I mean,
bullet.
I already have that.
Guys, who wants a bullet? For the egg. Guys, for the egg.
I see this egg.
Bro,
Yes.
I'll
I've
do
seen
that.
bigger over.
Yeah.
I'll do
Yeah,
that.
who knows how to do golden eggs?
It's not worth that. Bro,
Wait, I want to trade for one of them.
bro.
That thing.
Guys, who wants a bullet?
I like them big.
I don't know. I don't even know what's rare.
Guys, who
What's
wants a
rare?
bullet?
Because I haven't seen stuff.
Honestly, I'll take that. Guys, who wants a twig?
I don't have anything. I have nothing. 'Cause I haven't played this game in a while. But I've always really wanted
Guys, can somebody trade with me, please?
Somebody trade me with one of these. I'll trade like anything for them.
So one of what? One of the things that you're missing?
Oh my god.
Things you're missing?
Wait, can you go down?
Guys, who also willing to
Yeah.
trade me? It's not really there.
I know it's not rare, but I like it.
No, it is rare.
Oh my god, Jess.
Oh, that
Guys,
is
who's
rare.
trained for stuff that I don't?
So what's in that?
This is done.
Wait, guys, I have a bundle Rex. That's quite rare. I have a bundle Rex.
I only have one. So just swapping Eagleodon for the normal Eagleodon.
Guys, I have the bundle Rex. That's rare. That's quite rare.
That normal Eagleodon. That normal Eagleodon. Crazy. That one's rare than this
Wait, my one's rarer? Guys, does anybody have one of them monster ones? The monster ones, like this one. Wait, you. Guys, I need to trade with somebody for one of these. Can somebody just, I'll trade anything.
looking for?
I want this. I really want these.
I do not have that.
Oh yeah, I accidentally got rid of mine.
I like it.
Yo,
It's so
grab this
thick.
color.
It's the best.
Also, do you guys like my
Does anybody have one?
This is
Ming, mang, ping, bang. Bro, I'm trying to look for a song to put on.
Purple.
I haven't played this game in a long time.
Basically.
Wait, these OG glasses are rare now.
Yeah. You know, let me go put guys, my sunglasses real quick.
OG.
Look how big he is, guys. He's like
Hey, bro.
Bigger than the
The
size
game,
of my-
by the way, the game used to be so much less laggier when it was in early access. It was Wait, there's two different ones. What the hell? There's this one too, guys.
That's the. Here, I have that one.
Wait.
Hey, yeah. Who has? I want. Wait, why is there two? What's this one?
Guys, is Super
They're pretty
Alpha
good, though. They're
actually
really
Eagle
good.
on?
They're really good.
Or
Yeah, I want
actually
this one.
Eagle
I
on.
want, I want one of these. Yeah.
Guys, I found my
what could I do
SpongeBob
for,
record.
Like, look how
Eagle
fast
on
they
or
are.
something?
More
Oh,
fast.
it's massive. Yo!
Trade it for
Wait,
Eagle
I'll
and
trade
on.
you something for it. I'll trade you something.
Trade it for Eagle and on. Give them
Come back
ball
here. I'll
road.
trade you.
Guys,
want
who wants to
the-
trade? Trade it
I
for
have
Eagle
like
and
rare
on.
ones.
Give
I
me
have the
the
very
trade
rare
it.
one. It's like a bundle one that's quite OG now. It's like a bundle rare.
I don't want one there. Do you have one? Do you have
Bundle chomp.
What was that?
I'm in my own business.
Oh no, I
Like
was
fishing.
gonna buy that, but I didn't buy it.
He's got.
I have mother.
What eggs do you have?
I don't have any eggs. I don't think so.
What other bundles do you have?
Oh, no, I have this one. This guy's level 41.
I have
What other bundle? I don't remember what bundle.
Honestly, I'd say
I
this
have-
is
I have-
fair trade.
What level is that guy? Why is he so big?
My opinion.
Who
He's
said
only
we're
like-
trading? Who said we're
What?
I'm just showing my
insanely
my
good.
base.
I was only level 3.
Fair trade.
He's that big.
Just saying.
It's a tank, so it doesn't do that much damage.
No, it gets like 400 damage at 50.
Guys, you wanna see my? Guys, you wanna trade one of
I'll
those?
trade
Guys,
you.
who
I
wanna
don't
trade
know.
one
I
of
don't know what
those?
you even want.
Well, I'm jellyfishing.
I have the father of them. I have a father.
Guys, you wanna trade one of those?
What mama do you have?
I'm jellyfishing.
Guys, who has
I like
Eagle
that
on?
ball rug.
Guys, who has
I'll
Eagle
trade
on?
something else for
So
that.
do you want it?
That's new.
I'll give
I mean,
I'll give them a ball
Wait,
run.
can I
Plus,
see what
plus something
color it
else.
is? Like on the
Blue.
text.